In this video, we're going to show you some whiteboard tools that you can use during a remote desktop session. Once you're connected to a remote computer, you can find these whiteboard options in the toolbar, and you can easily switch between them. So first we have the marker. When selected, you can click and drag to draw certain elements on the client's desktop. The pointer tool is just a single click option that allows us to point out one or several elements. If we want to clear everything up, we can click on the eraser tool. Also, if we right-click on the eraser button, a drop-down menu with the erase options will appear. You can choose to erase everything in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or just select manually if you want to keep the marking there until you press the eraser button again. To switch back to control the mouse again, click on the remote control tool. Now a final tip. Let's say you want to share your screen, but you don't want your client to have control over your desktop. So let's click on Share My Screen from the drop-down, uncheck Enable Keyboard and Mouse Control, and click Show. Now we're sharing our desktop with the client. The client doesn't have any control over your desktop. Instead, the marker tool is automatically selected if they want to mark something. In case you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our chat on our website. Thank you for watching.